Welcome to this video. On today's video, I'll be showing you how affordable is luxury here in Malaysia. I'm staying in Kuala Lumpur right now, and I have to say the apartment selection that you can find on booking websites like booking.com, Agoda are wonderful. So let's go straight into the apartment tour, and I will also go outside and show you what kind of facilities this building has. So welcome to this apartment tour where I'll be showing you this apartment which I'm renting for about 25 euros or $27, which is roughly about 130 Malaysian ringgit. So it's pretty good price, I'd say, for what I'm getting. For me, this apartment is actually really big because I have like this kind of one big massive living room with kitchen. So and I also have a separate bedroom with the bathroom over there. So and big massive really comfortable bed actually. So that bed, I have slept here for 2 nights already and it really feels good. So yeah, definitely a good bed, I can say that. Over here you have like pretty much kitchen basic stuff, you know, kettle, fridge, pretty big fridge. So that's a washing machine over here, which is also really good to have when you're traveling around. I have like a full electric stove over here. That's pretty cool, you know. Some basic kitchenware stuff, plates, cutlery and some stuff. So you got pretty much all you need for kind of your basic needs. So this is cool. This is the table with my laptop. What I've noticed, this apartment has very questionable furniture. This thing is like, yeah, I really don't understand why this one is here. Like, why? That's like massively I don't know who, like what have happened over here, how it can be so massively concaved in, like it's crazy. But this furniture over here looks like really cool, you know. I really like this table over here. You know, you have this kind of smaller table underneath it, so you can make it bigger if you want, and if you don't need that extra table space, then the big table is just gonna eat that small table. How cool is that? It's really nice. You got your TV over here. What is also really cool in this apartment is that you have this kind of big massive fan. You also have aircon. You know, you have like everything you need, you know, because a lot of people don't like to use aircon when it's nighttime, so you can actually use those fans. Let's turn the lights on. Okay, that fan makes a lot of noise. So toilet, hello, shower. You got a rain shower actually over here. So and you also got a normal shower head, which is good to have, you know. I think both of them are good to have, so it's actually like better version. And pump gun, and it's working, so good. It's really good. So yeah, that's the bathroom. You have like 2 big closets over here. There's so much space for your clothes over here. So yeah, definitely a good apartment. And also you got a balcony, which is really cool. You can come here, breathe some fresher air maybe than inside, but maybe not so fresh air if you would compare that to some rainforest. But yeah, as you can see, the view over the city is pretty cool over here. View over here on this side is definitely not as good if I would be facing the other way. But I can't really complain because the price that I'm paying, I think, is pretty good. So let's go see what kind of facilities are out there in the public areas for everybody to use. And I think those are actually pretty cool. here you got some massage tables. This pool feature is really interesting. You can actually see the ground level from here, from this pool, which is on 35th floor. So this is a male only area. So you have a little warm pool over here, warm water and great views. And also this is some hand washing station or something. So over here you have the sauna. The electric heater is actually behind here. So if you want to put water on it, you would actually have to put water over here, and the water will slowly kind of start dripping down here on top of that electric heater, which is really cool actually. And those blue lights are actually really unique. I haven't actually seen sauna with blue lights before. And you also have the timer over here, so you can set the timer for yourself. And yeah, that shows the heat. It's actually pretty hot over here right now. So I'm gonna get out because otherwise I'm gonna be sweating too much. In the elevator again, and you can see how fast it flies down. It's crazy. And yeah, I'm probably gonna feel it in my ears. I'm gonna be heading to the 3rd floor. They have a second pool over there, which is massive. They have a chicken's gym over there as well, which is really cool. They have 2 gyms in the house. So if one gym is too busy, you can just go to another one. How convenient. So this is the second pool area. It's really empty right now because it's raining slightly. So let's go explore around here to see what they have over here. How cool is this place? This pool is very big, really well maintained, I have to say. The water looks beautifully clean. No junk inside, what you can see in some places, but yeah, and you have like those tanning beds over here. Massive area, you know, like what a massive area for you to come and just chill around here with a friend or something, you know. It's definitely really awesome place to kind of invite somebody over to, just to have a little kind of relaxing time, you know. And it seems like they have a like some sort of kind of jacuzzi setting over here. I'm not sure what's over here actually. Seems to be like some sort of sitting area, but I'm not quite sure if they have the bubbles as well. So I also wanted to show you the fish they have over here. You have so many brightly colored fish over here. They look absolutely amazing, you know. Some more fishes over here. They're actually really interested. I hope they're not gonna bite my finger. And over here you can see the dumbbells, the heaviest one being 25 kilos, which is actually really good for the, you know, kind of house gym, you know. Usually they stop at 20 or even at 15 kilos. So seeing a 25 kilo one is actually pretty good. And they have some more equipment over there, very similar to the other gym. So yeah, that's okay. I think I have to go out from the other one. Really kind of, you can see that the equipment is extremely high quality, like really high quality equipment, like very big and like very stable. Also remember, the likes are free, and I really love to see your likes on the videos, because that's a real good indicator for me that you enjoyed the video. So if you did enjoy this video, please hit that like button as well. It's a great help. And if you like my channel, please consider subscribing. It's completely free, you know, and you'll see when the next video will be uploaded. Massive setting over here. You can have like a birthday party over here, literally. And you also have like some sort of house over here that you have like probably like little bit for kids, I guess. And you have a kids playground over here, which is really cool. Looks really nice, you know, and strong. Another tiny pool over here. That's probably for the kids, I assume. But those things look really comfortable. Those hammocks look really comfortable, I have to say. It would be really nice to have a little nap over here, but because it's been raining, they are like a little bit wet, so yeah, not for now. So that's it, guys. That concludes the apartment tour. That's what you can get in Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, for just 27 USD or 25 euro or 130 ringgit. Isn't it a good deal? What do you think? Let me know in the comment section, is this a good deal for the price? Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye bye.